Okay, it's the next day. We're gonna test it out with some high pressure. 7.5 horsepower Berkeley pump. Costs like 3,000 or 4,000. So it's gonna put tremendous pressure because I got the valve shut to prime it. This is always very tough pump to prime. Sometimes I gotta let it run an hour and fill everything up. But I'm gonna see if I can just do this first part. The good thing about this new setup is the female garden hose thread adapter, so much easier to hook the hose up. And then when I got it full, like right now, I can turn this. And then when the pump kicks on, it's not gonna push the water back into the house, but hopefully you got a backflow preventer to stop that. So anyway, I'm gonna kick it on and then I'm gonna slowly turn this valve and hopefully we'll catch a prime. But I will be very lucky if we do that. So here we go, I'm gonna turn the pump on. Pump is on, there's tremendous pressure. And I think it worked. Yeah, we got 20 pounds of pressure. Let me see all right. I've never had an easy prime like that before. All right, let's go. I've actually had to pay the irrigation company the first time to come out here and prime this. But anyway, it is holding. We got a deluge of five inches of rain today. So it's a little wet, but there's no water leaking. That is working much better than the old setup. So the pump's working. There's good pressure. What's our pressure say? We're at 30 pounds. Let me just open up the filters just to get some of the sediment from that. All right. Working good. So the threads are holding up. Threads are holding up good. It's a lot more solid than the other one. I'm gonna put some corrugated roofing to cover it up. And that saved me a whole bunch of work. I would have had to cut, replace the T and that and the reducer. All right, that's an approved method. So those guys that laughed at me 7 years ago, you old timers, there's at least 6 ways. I don't know if I can remember. I'll put them in the comments though. But you can use the heat method. You can boil the fitting if it's off. You can saw it and then chisel it out with a screwdriver. You can coat it with primer and light it on fire a couple times and it'll get soft. And there's even a couple more. I'll put them in the comments. All right. Thank you, Redland, that farm.